I tell you.
TurboTax, we know
I
it's
see.
more than a paycheck. So we put the power to do more of it in the palm of your hand. Just take a picture of your W-2. It will automatically import your information and help you get back the refund you deserve. Go to TurboTax.com.
What do you think he wants?
You're so silly.
They're giving me a key to the city tonight. $12,000 Sherry, you're quite fine. I can send you the ticket, but then you have to find something to wear.
Thank you, but if I'm gonna sit through dinner and the show, the story has to be believed.
What is your obsession? Keep this up. Together.
If that's why you're here, you file a piece of paper that can help you with up downstairs.
Save your reputation. There's a story brewing in our hometown paper.
A paper you own.
Profile piece. It's about this cop in New York City. Mixed up with organized crime, apparently, and he's on the take. He comes down from the brass. This cop, this filthy, dirty cop, abandons his life.
Thought you could get it.
Flees to Detroit, a town that's easy to disappear in.
Are you trying to blackmail me?
I'm offering you a deal.
Well, you confess to bribery, extortion, and murder. We can talk to you.
They make medication for delusions.
Get it, girl.
You mow down neighborhood after neighborhood, pushing out the poor, wiping out anybody who gets in your way. Sally Ellison, Alice
I didn't try and help.
We got the politicians you paid off to build your developments. We got the judges you bribed to throw out the injunctions. We got names, we got dates, we got dollar amounts.
You are embarrassing.
Got them all fooled, don't you? Rolling into your charity functions,
Oh,
dolled
you're
up
so
in your
silly,
tux
man.
like a dignitary, like a refined gentleman. But
I'm in the
this
house full of silly people.
is who you really are, Henry.
Look who people are in the corner.
Yeah, caught you.
My offer was
The cute silly.
you're your own worst enemy.
Yeah, we'll see what a jury has to say.
You think they'll take the word of an ignorant whore over a man like me? Keep dreaming, detective. Knows about the girl.
Remember that girl in India my parents wanted me to talk to?
That arranged marriage thing? Yeah. Did she ever send her a picture?
Just came in. I can't do it. You look.
Are you afraid she's ugly?
I'm afraid she's pretty. It'll make it harder for me not to call her back.
Well, whatever you do, don't send her your picture.
Why not? She's gorgeous.